In this video, I will explain how to calculate the payback period. So let's start with the definition. The payback period method is a method that calculates the length of time it will take for a stream of cash flow to recoup an initial investment. So let's take a look at an example of how to actually use this method. This says, a firm is considering a project that requires an initial investment of $100,000 and has the following projected cash flows. Should the firm accept the project if they require a payback period of 3 years? So this firm is trying to decide, should they invest $100,000 into this project if they need to get that $100,000 back within 3 years? So what we can do is we can calculate the payback period, or how long we think it will take to actually get that $100,000 back, and just see if it's more or less than 3 years. So if we look at our table here, we can see that in year 1, we think this project will cash flow $50,000. So after 1 year, we should be getting $50,000 back. Now in year 2, we expect to cash flow $20,000. So after these 2 years, we expect to have a total of $50,000 plus $20,000, which is $70,000. So after 2 years, we'll have $70,000 of our money back. Then in year 3, we cash flow another $20,000. So that brings our total up to $70,000 plus another $20,000, which is $90,000. So we can see after 3 years, let's write that right here. After 3 years, we have recouped $90,000. Now, to get to this total of $100,000, we need $10,000 more. So we know that in year 4, we're expecting to cash flow $20,000. So we're going to get that extra $10,000 at some point in this year. To find out when, we can do $10,000 divided by the total amount that we expect to cash flow that year, which is $20,000. So $10,000 divided by $20,000, that turns out to be 0.5. So that means roughly halfway through this year, we expect to get this final $10,000 to bring us up to the total of $100,000. So our payback period, in other words, how long it will take to actually get this $100,000, is going to be 3 years plus another 0.5 years. So we would say that our payback period is 3.5 years. That's how long it will take to recoup our initial investment of $100,000. So because it will take longer than 3 years to get our money back, the firm should not accept the project. So as our final answer, we will say, do not accept the project. So that was just a quick example of how to calculate the payback period.